Today we are making delicious Belgian waffles that are actually good for you and healthy and anabolic with lots of protein. To start with, separate the yolk and egg whites into 2 bowls. Setting aside the egg yolks. With a hand mixer, blend the egg whites until they form a stiff foam. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can use a whisk, but that will take a little longer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. We are giving away a Fitbit watch to one of our first 1,000 subscribers, so subscribe now for your chance to win. Speeding up the video. You can see the egg white stiffening. Set the egg whites aside. Now put the egg yolks in a larger bowl. Add 1/4 cup of avocado oil, or if you don't have avocado oil, you can use canola oil. Add 2/3 of a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt and 1 cup of milk. You can use whatever milk you prefer. Whole milk, almond milk, oat milk. Blend these wet ingredients together. Blend them for about 30 seconds with a hand mixer. Now, in a separate food processor, blend about 1 cup of oats until they form a powder. Add this mixture to the liquid mixture and blend. Then add another cup of all-purpose flour. You can also use, if you don't like all-purpose flour, you can use a different flour like almond flour, coconut flour, chickpea flour works well. It's high in protein. That all-purpose flour seems to work the best. Blend this flour into the mixture with the hand mixer. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. I prefer the taste of baking powder rather than baking soda. Baking soda has a little bit of a bitter taste to it, but you have to use more baking powder. Add 1 scoop of vanilla whey protein, which is about 1/4 cup of protein powder. You can use whatever your favorite vanilla protein powder is. You can use a pea protein powder if you prefer the whey. Now start warming up your waffle maker so that it's ready. Blend all the ingredients together now. And then bring back the egg whites that you made before, and with a spatula blend the egg whites in with the other mixture. You don't want to mix it too much or the egg whites will dissolve. Mix up the one red, spread with a spray oil, butter flavored spray oil, and then use a 1 cup measuring scoop to pour in the mixture onto the waffle maker. This is the average size waffle maker mixture, this recipe makes about 5 of this size waffles. If you don't eat them all, you can freeze them and they taste great the next day. You can keep the waffles warm as you cook them with a towel over the plate of waffles. You can enjoy your waffles with a non-fat maple syrup or fruit. I used a homemade vanilla cream sauce, and that was delicious. Enjoy your waffles.